Let's add these two base 4 numbers together. I'm going to show you 2 ways of doing it. Now this is 32 base 4 plus 12 base 4. It's not 32 plus 12. These are base 4 numbers. Now this is the ones place. That's how many ones you have. We have 2 ones, and this is the fours place. It tells you how many groups of 4 you have. All right, so one way to do it is to take the ones place, add them vertically. You can do 2 base 4 plus 2 base 4. Adding the ones place together. That's 2 ones and 2 ones. Adding it is 4 ones, which is the same thing as 4 base 10. But then we want to convert it to base 4. 4 has 1 group of 4 and 0 groups of 1. So this is the same thing as 1, 0 base 4. Right, I got 1 group of 4 and 0 group of 1. That's the same thing there. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this 0 and put it underneath the 2's. And then take this 1 and carry it up here. Now you're going to add the 1, 3, and 1 together in base 4. So these are all in the ones place. So 1, 3, and 1 make 5 base 10. But if you convert that to base 4, 5 has 1 group of 4 in it and 1 group of 1 in it. So this is the same thing as 1, 1 base 4. I got 1 group of 4 and 1 group of 1, which make 5 in base 10. So now you're going to take this 1, 1 base 4 and you're going to put it right there. So 3, 2 base 4 plus 1, 2 base 4 is going to be 1, 1, 0 base 4. That is one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is to take the numbers and convert them to base 10, add them in base 10, and then take the result and convert back to base 4. So if we take 3, 2 base 4 and convert it to base 10, this means I have 3 groups of 4 and 2 groups of 1. So 3 groups of 4 and 2 groups of 1. Which means I have 12 plus 2, which is 14 in base 10. Doing the same thing here with 1, 2 base 4. I got 1 group of 4 and 2 groups of 1. So that's 1 times 4 plus 2 times 1. That's going to be 4 plus 6, or 4 plus 2, which is 6. And those add up to 20. But this is in base 10. I want to now convert it to base 4. Now remember, base 4, the rightmost place is the ones. This is how many groups of 4 you have. And this would be how many groups of 4 squared, or groups of 16 you have. And I went up to 16 because I have 1 group of 16 in 20. If I take 20 and divided by 16, there is 1 group of 16 in there with 4 left over. So this 1 is going to go right here. And then I need to figure out how many groups of 4 I have left in my remainder. There's 1 group of 4 in 4. So this 1 right here will go right there. And then how many 1s I have left over? There's nothing left over. So there's going to be 0 groups of 1 left over. All right, so I converted them both to base 10, added, and then I took that base 10 number and converted it back to base 4. So that's going to be the answer. And you can see that it matches up with the other way of doing it. Which way are you going to do it? There you go.